The RelayFax Network Fax Manager for Windows automates sending, receiving, and managing your network faxes from your desktop while integrating full faxing functionality with your existing email system. A single fax can be sent to multiple destinations and automatically assigned a specific cover page or template based on specific users and groups. You can define any number of mailboxes via the Mail Sources screen. Documents can be faxed out by attaching them to an email message addressed to one of your mail sources. RelayFax connects to these mail sources at scheduled intervals and collects waiting outbound fax messages. These messages are then emailed, faxed, or printed depending on how your outbound fax rules are configured. Outbound rules can be configured to route faxes based on the data contained in the message headers or body, the receiving fax number, or macros found within the message. If no outbound rule is triggered, then default rules can be configured to extract fax numbers from headers contained within the outgoing message. Inbound fax rules can be configured based on the port that the fax arrives on, the sending device's fax machine ID string, the text contained in the fax, caller ID information, or direct inward dialing or DID information. Incoming faxes can be converted to various image formats such as TIFF, JPEG, and bitmap. You can also use the available optical character recognition plugin to convert faxed images into editable document formats such as DOC, PDF, or XLS. If no inbound rule is triggered, then your default rules would apply, allowing you to email the fax to the postmaster, print the fax, or add a custom banner. POP3 and SMTP communications with RelayFax can optionally be encrypted using the Secure Sockets Layer, SSL, and Transport Layer Security, or TLS protocols to ensure that all transmitted data is secure. RelayFax also supports fax over IP, with support for up to 30 virtual fax devices that can log on to a SIP-based software PBX. RelayFax works with a variety of modems, boards, and other devices, including models from MainPine, Comtrex, Dialogic, D-Link, and US Robotics. RelayFax includes 1 year of free software maintenance, providing access to the latest release for the duration of your license agreement. With support for fax over IP, SSL and TLS, tween devices such as scanners and digital cameras, DID routing support, optical character recognition, and much more, RelayFax has been engineered to meet your faxing needs. You can experience the convenience of RelayFax by downloading your free, fully functional 30-day evaluation today.